Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must be authorized, otherwise stop immediately. Once confirmed, approach the payphone and remove the service panel with the appropriate hex driver. Connect your laptop to the admin port, use the labeled RJ45 or DB9 adapter, and open a serial client at the common baud rates. If the unit uses battery backup, keep it connected to avoid corrupting settings. Enter the current admin password when prompted. This authenticates you and opens the configuration menu, so proceed carefully and document the current values. Once in the configuration menu, navigate to the security or admin subsection. Type menu then config to reveal options. You need to locate the password or credential field. Choose an algorithm that the hardware supports, plain for legacy units, hashed or salted for more security. Set a strong length, typically 8 to 12 characters, and enable lockout after multiple failures. Make sure to update any dependent services or remote logs so access continuity is preserved. Save to a temporary slot before finalizing. After applying the new password, save changes and reboot the payphone to load the updated credentials. Once it restarts, verify login from a second terminal to confirm success. Make sure remote monitoring still authenticates. Store the new password in a secure manager and note rotation intervals. Every 6 months is a common baseline. If login fails, recheck your serial settings, baud, parity, and cable pinout. If necessary, restore the backup config you saved earlier and retry the procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.